morning, children. So in last class we continued the lesson number 4, the Democratic Republic of Congo. So to tell agriculture we discussed. So now we are going to continue the next topic, children. Lesson number 4, the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo. So earlier in last class what we discussed, so it is in the non-tropical torrid zone. Which one? DRC. What is the full form of DRC? Democratic Republic of Congo. What is DRC means? Democratic Republic of Congo. It is in the torrid zone. It is a very hot climate. So in the afternoon it rains throughout the year. So which is the capital of DRC? Capital of DRC though. So which is the capital of DRC? Kinshasa is the capital of DRC. Kinshasa is the capital. So what is the river name here? Congo is a river name. It is also a world's largest river. One of the world's largest river. So in which continent DRC is there? क्या continent is DRC? In Africa continent. The river Congo. Next what we learn? River Congo is known as highway of Central Africa. So in which mode they are going to transport? In which mode they are trading? On the water transportation. So there is no land transport in this DRC region. So the trading all are followed by only water transport. So what is Savannah means? What is Savannah means? In Savannah means the grasslands with few scattered trees. Such open grasslands are called savanna. What is savanna means? Savanna. Savanna means the grasslands with few scattered trees. The grasslands ಡೇಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನ ನೆನೆಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇಗೆ ರಾಗಿ ಗೋಧಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪುಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವ, ಹಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ಥರ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನ ಪೌಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೊಟ್ಟಿನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ಟಾ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಪಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆಫ್ DRC. So why the DRC is called the heart of darkness? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೀತಿದ್ರು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? So the trees, all the trees, they are very tall in this region. So they do not shed their leaves throughout the year. So it is also called evergreen forest. So full green ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, sunlight underground level ಗೆ reach ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. So in morning time also it looks dark. So what is the climate of this DRC? As this region is located near the equator, the climate is very hot during daytime, evenings and nights are cooler. Very high temperature throughout the year. High humidity, rains almost daily in the afternoon throughout the year. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, equator near to the equator ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ DRC ಗೆ sunlight direct ಆಗಿ reach ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. So what happened after this? So in the morning time they have very hot. There is a very hot region in the morning time, and at the evening and the night time it become cooler. So this all we learned in last class, no? In 2 classes also we discussed these all topics. Now next, natural resources. What is natural resources? Congo has rich natural resources. Resources like copper, cobalt, gold, uranium and diamonds are found here. It has the world's largest deposits of cobalt. Water is another important natural resources. Most of the minerals are exported. Industries are not very well developed. The development of several cities has led to development of industries like textiles, chemicals, cement and paper. These industries provide employment to a large number of people. Life of the people. The climate of Congo is not favorable for living. Therefore, population is very thin. A number of tribes live here. The Bantu is the largest tribe. Pygmies, the original inhabitants of Congo, are a primitive tribe. They live in dense forests and their houses are made from tree branches, twigs and leaves. The main languages spoken here are Bantu, English and French. People also speak some local languages. Transport. Water is the most significant mode of transport in this area. The Congo River is the chief means of transport. The Congo River is the chief means of transportation. Matadi is the chief seaport of Congo. Rails and roads connect cities with each other, but land transport is not so well developed. Some development is taking place after Congo secured independence. Now these all topics we have to discuss now. So first one is natural resources. So which are the natural resources we can see here? Now we have natural resources. Congo has rich natural resources. So it has many natural resources in the Congo region, which are the copper, cobalt, gold, so which are the rich natural resources? Resources like copper, cobalt, gold, uranium and diamonds are found here. So these are rich in natural resources. It has the world's largest deposit of It has the world's largest deposit of cobalt. So which is another one natural resources obtained here. So another one natural resources yavudu? Water. Water is the another natural resources. So what do we do in natural resources? In natural resources na? So they are going to export to the several countries. Next is industries. Industries are not well developed. The development of several cities had led to the development of industries like textiles, chemicals, cement and paper. These industries provide employment to a large number of people. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ industries ಇನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ನ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆವೆರಲ್ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗಳು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ? ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್? ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ಸ್, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್, cement and paper. Which are the industries we can see here? Textiles, chemicals, cement and paper. So these are the industries we can see in the DRC. So what is the help of these industries? So it given occupation, it given work for the many people. So these industries provide employment to a large number of people. So in industries ಇಂದ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ? ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು it has given a opportunity to work in these industries. Next, life of the people. So how the people here? The climate of Congo is not favorable for living. So ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೇಗ ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಿದೆ it is not comfortable. ಅಷ್ಟು ಫೇವರಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏಕೆ? it has very hot. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಿಸಿಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ in the noon it will rain throughout the year. So it is not a favorable climate. So therefore population is very thin. So the population ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ DRC. In DRC the population is very less. A number of tribes live here. There is a number of tribal peoples. So there is some tribal peoples. The Bantu is the largest tribe. So tribal peoples ke ಒಂದೊಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So like that Bantu is the largest tribe. So tribal peoples the Bantu tribes is the largest tribal. Pygmies, the original inhabitants of Congo, are a primitive tribe. They live in dense forests and their houses are made from tree branches, twigs and leaves. So where they are living? These pygmies live. So they are living in a dense forest. In dense forest ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So pygmies are living in this dense forest. And their houses are made from tree branches. So ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಏನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮರದ ಕೊಂಬೆಗಳಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Tree branches, twigs and leaves. The main languages spoken here are Bantu, English and French. So ಯಾವ languages ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Bantu is also a language, English and French. Which are the main languages spoken here? Bantu, English and another one Bantu, English and French. These are the main languages spoken in the DRC. People also speak some local languages. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು local languages ನ people of DRC. Next, transport. Water is most significant mode of transport in this area. The Congo River is the chief means of transportation. What is the most significant mode of water? Water is the most significant mode of transport in this area. Why there is a water transport? Technically water transport is there. So there is land transport develop agila. There is no development in land transport. So they are going for water transport only. So water is the most significant mode of transport. Which mode is we can see in the transport? Water mode transport. Why there is a water transport, children? So DRC ಏನಕ್ಕೆ water transport ಇದೆ? So there is no development in land transport. So they all are following. They are going to use water transport. The Congo River is the chief means of transportation. So which is the by which river they are going to transport? From the river Congo. Congo River with the help of the Congo River they are going to transport. So ಏನೇ transportation ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಯಾವ river ಇಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Congo River. Matadi is the chief seaport of Congo. So which is the chief seaport of Congo? Matadi. Matadi is also a seaport of Congo. Which is the seaport in Congo? Matadi. Rails and roads connect cities with each other, but land transport is not so well developed. So railway roadways ಎರಡು ಇದೆ, but they are in but road transport is not as well developed. Some development is taking place after Congo secured independence. Congo ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ some development is taking after Congo secured independence. Congo ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, in the little amount there is a development in the Congo region. Understood, children? This is about the DRC. DRC means the Democratic Republic of Congo. So which is the largest tribe in this region? ಯಾವುದು largest tribe ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Which is the largest tribe in the DRC? Bantu is the largest tribe. Which is the seaport of DRC? Seaport ಯಾವುದು? DRC seaport ಯಾವುದು? Which is the seaport of DRC? Matadi is the seaport. So which is the largest mineral in the Congo region? Cobalt. World largest deposit of cobalt deposit is there in Congo. They are export to many countries. So which are the industries in Congo region? Textiles, chemicals, cement, paper. So which are the languages spoken there? Bantu, English and French. These are the languages spoken in the DRC. So understood now what is DRC means? Next, let's revise with Rohan. Democratic Republic of Congo. DRC is located in the ಯಾವ zone alirodu? In which zone is the DRC? In the tropical zone in Central Africa. DRC has a hot and wet climate. Congo is also called the heart of darkness. The river Congo is also called the highway of Central Africa. Castor, rice and maize are the basic food of most of the people of Congo. Most parts of DRC are covered with tropical rainforest. pygmies, the short peoples in Congo region is there, no? They are called pygmies. Kaswa. What is kaswa means? The main food of the people of Congo. Matadi. It is the chief seaport of Congo. Bantu is a tribe of Congo. They are tall and have curly hair. Pygmies are they are very short. Bantu tribes they are long and they have curly hairs. Understood children? What is the difference between pygmies and Bantus? Pygmies are short peoples.